Hello everybody, I'm Batlle, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a video that I wanted to make since long time ago, but I decided now to make it. So we are gonna talk about how to control the car in the air. I will try to explain the best I can. It's quite difficult for me, but I will try to do my best. So basically here we have the car. What I have to say, it's like basic number one is when you accelerate in the air, the car will make like this. So when you brake, it will make the opposite, like this. And then you have when you steer, you have the car like this. So I have I always think about when I have to steer always to the ground. So it means if the car, it makes like this, and you steer to the ground, the car will rotate to the initial position. So if the car goes like this, you steer to the ground and the car will make like this. When the car is steering like this, you steer to the ground and it will make a little bit like this. So it will help also to rotate a little bit the car, and you can make the next turn if it's to the right side. So it means you jump, you have a turn to the right side, you steer to the ground and it will make like this. And then to stabilize again, you will have to steer to the ground, as I told you, and it will control like this, and you will have the car ready to make the turn to the right. So this is theoretically what it happens. It's quite difficult to make, I understand. You have to be really fast. But this is the theoretically what you have to do to stabilize. So now I took a video like 2-3 weeks ago, and I'm gonna show you and explain you a little bit with the video. I think it will be better. So here it goes. So here we see how I jump the car, now steer to make the car rotate, and then steer again to stabilize and go to the next turn. So I hope you understood a little bit better how to control the air. As I always say, if you have any question, just let me know on the video, just down there. You can ask me, or Facebook, Instagram, my YouTube channel, anywhere I can answer you, whatever. And share it, please, if you like that video. And if you didn't like it, share it also, so it will help everybody to see more RC videos, and we can help each other. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.